Hello again. Now it's been 6 months since I picked up the Z Fold 4 from Samsung, and I use this instead of using an iPad mini that I used to use. I find this to be really good because you can fold it up, put it away in a smaller place, put it in a pocket or a bag much easier. And the battery life on this has been really good since the updates. I use this for Netflix, Instagram, Facebook, and games like PUBG, Clash of Clans, and general everyday sort of use, emails, looking at documents that come through. Over the last 6 months, the phone has stayed nice and fast. The processor's stayed fast. It hasn't had any lagging. Camera, the images have been clear and crisp with a nice vibrant color, not too over the top, like some of the Samsung phones in the past, but the images have been nice and clear and accurate. The colors have been accurate completely. Even action shots like this little dog running across. What can I say? This is a great device. It hasn't had any scratches or dings. I don't go around dropping my phone, but it hasn't picked up any scratches or anything over the last 6 months. I do use the S Pen with it quite often, and as you can see, there's no marks on the screen. I did buy a little protector for the cameras. It's got a little aluminium strip that goes on with a bit of double-sided tape because the camera lens is stuck up above the case sometimes, and I didn't like that, so I got this on, and it gives me a little bit more peace of mind. It was only $2. Overall, as I said, it hasn't got any scratches because this is an aluminium shell rather than stainless steel like the iPhone, but it really doesn't have any problems at all. The glass on the back is the same. The fingerprint sensor is the same as it was, nice and accurate and fast. There's no lagging or anything. And the little slider, if you slide your thumb up and down, you can bring the window down. I like that. So overall, it's been a really nice device to use. I've took it on holiday a few times. I've took it away on trips and I use it in the house. And for general use and everything, I've found it to be really good. This case I picked up recently. It has the little S Pen holder, which I like. I just used to keep the S Pen in a pen holder, but now I can keep it with it all the time. So that's useful. And another thing I found is when this is on the case itself, when you have it open and laid on the desk, if I just put that down and show you, when you've got it open like that, when you turn it sideways, you can use the keyboard and it makes it a much nicer image to see. So I thought I'd just share that with you. Right, that's it for today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Take care. Bye for now.